People Graph is a wonderful add-ins in Excel. This video is all about how to invoke that particular feature. It's very easy, and all you can do is that there are one of two ways you can do. One way is that if you already have the People Graph, it will just showing under your add-ins, under insert under the add-ins, it will show you People Graph. This is one way. Another way is that let's assume that you do not have that, then you can go to store and then you can type people group and you will find it, right? In that you can just type it like People Graph and you can have a search and then you can just add in. It come for free. This is two ways, right? Since I already have, I will just close this one and let me demonstrate how to activate this one, how to have the chart of this one People Graph. And all you can do is that you can select you can directly go to People Graph, and this is the common template it comes out, right? And you can see this is the many people and all that it comes in. And all I'm doing it, I'm just clicking this here. Or you can just hover the screen to here and you'll find there are two things are there. One is the data, one is settings. So first let's input the data, select the data, and then you can select all these 5 rows I have selected and 5 departments I have selected. Give OK. Now it has come beautifully. Let me give the title also as well. So go back and give the title People Graph for a company, right? Whatever the company or the whatever the departments you have, you can just have it. So you can just give that. Now this is done. Now the next thing, couple of things we can do, you can go to settings and you can find different formats. For example, type 1, this is the type 1, it is already there. Type 2, if you wanted to have like this, you can have. Or type 3, if you wanted to have like this, you can have. Whatever the format. Let's say I'm happy with the blue font. This is okay. This is type. Another thing what you have is called theme. Again, in theme, you can change it. For example, let's say you don't want like this grids, you can get rid of the grids, you can have. Or you want like this, you can have. Or any of the things, any of the color you can have. I'm happy with the blue one with the you know grids and all that. Lastly, you have the shape. Shape will not be very helpful, but if you wanted to have, you can have. For example, let's say if you wanted to have something like this, you can have. Or if you want, this may not look very professional. Or if you wanted to have something like this, you can have, right? Or it's simply you wanted to have like this, you can have, right? Again, you wanted to change by gender specific and all that, you will be able to do it. But let me keep it back that the older one, the typical format, right? So this is what we can easily do it. And then, for example, let's say you're just you can reload that data also as well, right? So whenever you want the changes to be done, for example, let's say the finance has now 32 people, and maybe quality has got 15 people, and engineering has got 100 people, design has got 60 people, and manufacturing has got 500 people, example, right? So it comes very beautifully. And since the range is too high, maybe I'll keep it like 150 maybe. So like this you can have it, and I hope you find it very useful. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have wonderful day ahead.